Welcome back to Naked in Thailand. We were contacted recently by a good friend and fellow rider, Hunter, who lives up in Pai, and he has invited Mark and I to join him and some of his friends to try some off-road riding over the mountains towards the border of Myanmar. The problem is, both of us have little to no experience of off-road riding. We've been out this week in Chiang Mai to find out what all the buzz is about, with the numerous cafes and restaurants now infusing their food and drinks with cannabis. Is it all just a gimmick, or is there more to it? Let's go and find out.
Today we're here with the owner of Cannabis Cafe. His name is Chef. How are you doing today, Chef?
Very well, thank you. Very well.
So, Chef, the question on everybody's lips is, are we going to get high by drinking these drinks?
I can say to you right now is definitely not, because of we use the CBD. The CBD is like 0.1% of the cannabis.
Okay.
But you have to, if you get more than like 1 kilo of the cannabis, you might be get high.
So if you're not getting high, why are there a lot of cafes and restaurants such as yours that are using cannabis?
Because of in Thailand, they just a lot of the cannabis. And then we're using the leaf, the stem, and then the root only to making the cannabis. And then we try to making with the drink and then with the fruit.
What kind of customers did you get coming in here?
I will have like only Western customer, and we have a Thai local as well. They just want to try, they want to taste this one, and then definitely it's not get high for them.
Chef, you have no idea how good this tastes from you right now, I'm telling you. Thank you so much. When you opened this cafe up, did you need to get a license? And if so, was it quite difficult to get?
Definitely yes, because of you have to ask for inspector, and then the inspector will come to check of your place first, how capacity you have, how wide you have in your place, and then you need to ask for the government. So we have to register of the certificate, and then they will support, like they will transfer of the leaf from the university to give it to you.
Thanks for speaking with us today, Chef,
No
and we
problem.
wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you.
If you want to check out some of the beverages here at Cannabis Cafe, the link's in the description below. Check it out.
It's not just drinks that are getting the cannabis treatment. Restaurants have also started infusing cannabis into their food, and that's what we're going to go and take a look at now. In case you were thinking that the cannabis food and drink culture was limited to casual cafes and restaurants in the city, you'd be wrong, because we're here today at the Service 1921 restaurant, which is part of the Anantara Hotel Resort here in Chiang Mai, and it is one of the fanciest places in town. We're here today to try out their cannabis food menu.
This restaurant is actually based in the original British consulate building and was built in 1915 and went into commission in 1921. Even the placemats mimic envelopes used to send classified documents by MI6. The cannabis menu costs between 400 and 700 baht, and boy is it worth it.
Cannabis became illegal here in Thailand back in 1934, but only as a result of international pressure. Prior to that, Thai people had been using cannabis in their food for a long time. Me Krua Hua Pa, generally considered Thailand's oldest cookbook, first printed in 1908, contains recipes that call for tender ganja leaves. Cannabis is fragrant and used in the same way as MSG, to improve taste. The plant contains glumatic acid. The amino acid enhances savoury taste, providing foods with a boost of umami, the round taste sometimes referred to as the fifth flavour.
So what have we learned here today? Well, firstly, the drinks and foods that we've had today are definitely not going to make you high. However, they are going to taste a lot better. And the Thai people can once again use recipes that contain cannabis.
Thank you so much for watching today. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a video.